We are doing another reaction video today. I am checking out the new song by Altesia, Her Ghost, in Limbo, that dropped a few days back. I came across this band out of pure coincidence, like most of the time, as I said several times. They were in Luxembourg 2 years ago, and I could not make it to the show, but because of that event that got promoted quite heavily, I was able to check them out finally, and it's a seriously interesting progressive metal mix. A lot of opeth, a lot of neo-oblivious scars, a lot of, let's call it, weirdness and jazziness to it. So I'm expecting a lot of different element, time signatures, all of these good progressive metal things that you need to make a song good. So we are checking out Her Ghost and Limbo. Let's go. Ominous. Okay. That's maybe the proggiest breakdown section I've heard all year. Or several years. Okay. The switch. It can't stay like this forever, probably. It won't. Ooh, what a nice, unexpected. Oh, damn groovy. That's so cool. That's just so cool. Okay. I love prog metal. I just love it. It's so insane sometimes. And yet so precise. Wow, I mean, progressive metal is just out of this world if done nicely and correctly. These fellas definitely know what they're doing. This is a serious step up from their last single and release they did. Damn. And I forgot to mention, they got a new record coming out in June called Somnambulist, dropping June 13th. So, freaking check this out, because if there'll be another single, it will be as crazy and nuts as this. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of bamboozled right now, because I expected prog metal, but not... this has a lot of native construct, if you know the band, in it. A lot of Rivers of Nihil as well. A lot of Opeth, obviously. So many elements that make up like such a solid song. Very good choice as a first release also for the record. Honestly, this shows quite a lot of talent for this very underrated band. I will definitely put all you need to know in the link in the description below. Follow Altesia, first of all. Get the new record. Support these fellas, because this is exceptional. This is really exceptional. I'm really looking forward for the record. And hopefully, if we manage to make it happen around June, July, they might be here on the podcast as guests as well. So fingers crossed. And until then, I wish you all the best. See you very soon. Like and subscribe, the usual. And see you soon. Bye.